In this video, I'm going to show you how to search a dataset in Kaggle. Now, the first thing you want to do when you open your dashboard, you want to click on the three lines top left, and from here you want to go to Data Hub and you want to go to Datasets. In here, you'll be able to search different datasets inside the Kaggle from different people, okay? So as you can see here, you could just search directly or you could go inside categories. So you have like all datasets, you have computer science, you have education, you have a bunch of different ones over here like classification, etc. So you could just basically go and filter by these. I'm going to click on computer vision, for example, and I can scroll down. I can see basically from who it is, what it is, and then of course the usability, when it was updated, etc. And I can look for it, like I can click on it and I can see the code, discussion about it, etc. Okay, so that's the first thing you can do. But of course there's better ways as well. So we could just go to datasets over here, and then up top you can search for them. So you can just type in like a keyword. For example, if I type in sport, it's gonna find sport related ones. If I type in, I don't know, for example, maybe YouTube, like this, it's going to find that. If I type in like nature or something like this, it's gonna find them as well. Okay, that's the first thing. And then what you can also use, which is quite convenient, are these filters. So you can filter things. You could filter by tags, you could filter by minimum file size to maximum file size. You have different file types that you can filter through. You have licenses, you have usability rating, you have highly voted for, etc. So there's a bunch of different things. You could just go ahead and use these, click on apply, and it's gonna filter and find those for you. Okay, so that's how to search for datasets in Kaggle. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.